Hi students, welcome to physics classes. Now we are discussing important 4 mark questions from motion in a straight line from the junior inter physics. Now the question is, a ball is dropped from the roof of a tall building. Simultaneously, another ball is thrown horizontally with the same velocity from the same roof. Which ball lands first? Now here they asked, one ball is dropped from the roof, another ball is thrown horizontally with some velocity. So which will reaches the ground first? Now if a ball dropped from a height h, let us take its height is h. Now initial velocity is 0 and the acceleration becomes g plus g. So we have formula h equal to ut plus half gt square. So u0, u into t becomes 0. This is for dropped body dropped. So h equal to ut 0 half into g, time taken to reach first ball no t1 square. So t1 square equal to 2h by g. Then t1 equal to root 2h by g. t1 equal to root 2h by g. Next, second ball thrown horizontally. Second ball thrown horizontally. Now, when a ball thrown horizontally with some velocity, it is x-axis direction. Now here initial velocity along vertical direction is 0. Initial velocity along vertical direction is 0 and it reaches the floor. Acceleration is g, height s equal to h, time is t2. So same formula h equal to ut plus half gt square. So as vertical direction no velocity, u becomes 0, product with t 0, then half g t2 square h equal to, then t2 square equal to 2h by g, t2 square equal to 2h by g, and t2 equal to root 2h by g. So this will be taken as equation 1 and it will be taken as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can say t1 equal to t2. t1 is equal to t2. So both balls reach the ground same time. Reach the ground same time simultaneously. Both reaches same time simultaneously. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.